Hey guys, I just installed this mass airflow sensor. I just bought the new one, which is used from eBay, and we're gonna try to crank it up and see if it works. I'm gonna go get my flex and I'm gonna jump the battery. Hear that? It just sounds horrible. It's backfiring. That tells me that maybe the coil packs are not working, or maybe even the spark plug wires. So anyways guys, that's it for today. This video is just catching up with the Miata and the build and all that, and yeah, so I moved to a new destination and the car is exactly how I left it. Besides, I've done some little bit of work on the coil packs and I did a little bit on the mass airflow, but other than that, the car is absolutely the same. I haven't really done much to it. I am gonna keep this car. This car is one of my favorite Miatas I've ever owned, and I've owned like maybe 6, I think. This is my second best Miata that I've owned. The first one was very nice. And I still love it till today. I still want it back, but this is now my new one. I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching my video and catching up with me. I am going to be posting more videos to come about this car. Just as soon as I get the new coil packs, then I'll be redoing another video. But anyways guys, thank y'all and see y'all soon. Peace.